The concrete operational stage is the third stage in Gian Pagets' theory of cognitive development, typically occurring between the age of 7 and 11. During this stage, children begin to develop logical thinking and can perform mental operations, but only on concrete objects or events. They gain the ability to understand concepts such as conversation, the idea that quantity remains the same despite changes in shape, classification, and reversibility. However, their thinking is still limited to tangible, real-world situations and they struggle with abstract or hypothetical concepts.
Kita ka ng mga kahoy dire. Kanang kuan kanang what if ang kana tanang niya kahoy is mawala na siya. Unsa ang mahitabo sa atong community? O dito sa pa dyan. Bagyo. Okay, magbagyo no? Oh, very good. So, kanang unsa man atong buhaton para kanang di ni mawala ang ato ang kuan mga kahoy. Thank you. So, maura to. Thank you.
I given a hypothetical scenario such as if all the trees in the world disappeared, what would happen? A 13 years old might consider the various effects such as loss of oxygen and impact on animal life, reasoning logical about the broader consequence. So, the cognitive development, this reflects the development of abstract thinking and the ability to reason logically about hypothetical situation, which is a key feature to the formal operational stage. These tasks provide a concrete demonstration of Pigot's theory by showing how children thinking evolves from concrete sensory based experiences to abstract reasoning and systematic problem solving.